When people love and depend on a healthy ocean, they can develop a marine identity, which will in turn motivate them to take action to protect the ocean if they feel that a healthy marine environment is under threat. Taking action for the sea is known as marine citizenship. I'm Pamela Buchan. My ESRC funded PhD with the Southwest Doctoral Training Partnership looked into what motivates people to do marine citizenship and how policy and practice enables people to take action. What I found was that the motivation for marine citizenship really comes from having a positive relationship with the ocean, and that grows out of having positive sensory experiences of the marine environment. I collected survey data about who marine citizens are and psychological aspects such as their values and environmental attitudes. And I undertook interviews and observations of people participating to really understand where marine citizenship comes from. I found that place is really important for marine citizens getting involved in marine decision making. For example, local government planning and environmental decision making is more visible and accessible to people than at national or international scales because it takes place where people live. Feedback and outcomes are more readily available, making it easier for people to use their right to contribute to marine policy.
We've just been to Tinside Pool and just enjoying swimming in the salt water. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Well, I think because we live here as well, we're just making the best of where we live, where we're surrounded. It just makes sense, doesn't it?
It's really important to me that my research has impact, and that's why I'm so happy that this new framing of marine citizenship has been embedded into the practice of the Ocean Conservation Trust.
Pam has come in with our school's programme manager and our public and community engagement manager and reviewed all of the evaluation that we do to just try to look for areas that might be tweaked a little bit to help to support marine identity theory. So actually, our 5-year plan for ocean advocacy and engagement, the top line thing is how can we help people to find their marine identity? So that's hugely influenced by Pam's work.
Marine citizenship has now become a recognised goal for local government. By providing expertise, I participated in a groundbreaking project, the Plymouth Sound National Marine Park. It has secured a £9.5 million grant for a 7-year project with the ambition to improve access to and experiences of the water and promote ocean connectedness and marine identity.
Conservation is delivered by people, for people and through people. So the whole premise around Pam's research is actually understanding how we can engage those people, what the tools are, how we can monitor and evaluate the progress and the change that is happening, and from that be able to frame a new relationship with the sea, and it becomes a model that we can then use for successive generations.
Pam's work has also helped us change policy. After I'd read Pam's paper, I actually got one of our planners to rewrite a section of the planning code such that it was more difficult, in a sense, to privatise the spaces around the waterfront that will prevent physical access to the waterfront.
Using my research findings, I developed the idea of a local government ocean recovery declaration. I partnered with the Local Government Association Coastal Special Interest Group and the Ocean Conservation Trust to create a model motion that people could ask their local council to debate. Marine citizenship is more than just personal environmental actions like ethical shopping or choosing to have a low carbon footprint. It's also about public actions such as signing petitions and really campaigning to change the whole of society's relationship with the ocean. The motion for the ocean helps local councils to play their part in realising a clean and healthy ocean. 13 councils so far have made a declaration, and they represent nearly 1.7 million people.